Yes, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you to our and if this is your first time, let me officially welcome you to our reaction channel. Over here, we react to funny comedy clips from TikTok. We basically just here to have a laugh, have a nice time, chill on some good vibe, and we don't do too much. You feel me? So if you want to be part of the gang, part of the family, you know what to do. Today we have a new video to react to. This one is the Nigerian edition. We haven't reacted to some Nigerian skits for a while now. We've been doing other stuff, so I want to go back to my roots. Obviously, I'm Nigerian. If you didn't know, you just know now. So where are my Nigerians at? So let's get back to reacting to some Nigerian TikTok, man. Without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight into the video, bruh. Because today is a long day, you feel me? Today is a long day, and I hope you guys are having a nice weekend, by the way. So let's get straight into the video. Nothing too much to see here, just couples playing love. If you didn't know, this is how we usually play love in Nigeria. We
Not
just,
pass 1 meat now. Yesterday I cooked that soup. Not touch the tico, serve only 1 meat.
Babe,
I
do.
I'll call you back, bro.
Why you stand for here now?
No, I've been talk to my guy before.
I'm gonna go play love. See those people they play love.
That's how you play love, bro.
Babe, sorry, no go. No go,
Come on.
Babe, give me my wig now. Give me my wig.
Hey, yo.
Give me my wig.
Why did you overreact like that, bro? It hasn't gotten to that yet, bro. It hasn't gotten to that yet, bro. You didn't need to take off our wig and just walk away, bro. But his eyes, though, bro, was shocked. Damn, that's crazy.
Which can't be this one now? Which can't be this one? When I go cut my lights, don't let me go over the street. Don't let me the only baby. Okay, the creso. For the past 7 months, you the only baby. You don't open was sorted, then they call you power holding for office. What did they worry you? When do you want to pay for your light? Let me go cut my light. Go cut the wire. Okay, if you talk about the wire, if I wire you slap. Yay. If I had my way, even the light at the end of the tunnel, I go off them. You did mad?
Wow. Hello. yo, somebody don't own NEPA sote. You cut their light and the light at the end of their tunnel. That's mad, bro. That's a crazy way to say it, bro.
You did mad?
That's silly.
And the wire come on, they go.
Oh, God, you never reach like that. Now we go pay.
You go pay waiting. Nobody the former wife been talk. See this new recruits. Come on, no, they come on fire. They're going to church now. Don't worry. Don't worry. They take my life. See this on NEPA pole. Tomorrow morning, I swear, I go dig and come out.
Hey,
That's the transformer. That's the transformer.
The people of these people are on bad news every time. The Nigerian.
Who is that? Who is that? Who is that now?
Oga, pay your NEPA bill.
Wait, Oga NEPA. What do you mean of all this nonsense now?
Oga, I don't tell you say if you not pay NEPA bill, no light for this house. No light.
Can't do a light for my house now, light. Oga NEPA light.
Oga, even mosquito coil light, I don't want to see him. I don't want you.
No, bro, that's crazy, bro. What the hell? Even his candle, bro. They blew his candle out. That's crazy. There's no one here. No grief for anybody this year, man. Damn.
Papa. Look at you. Come, Oga. Oga, I said they carry me the play. How many times I don't tell you say until you pay your NEPA bill, no light for this house? Shall I don't want you before? Oga, look around now. You see light? You see light? What did happen? No be light with this.
Yeah.
No be light with this. Hey,
no.
Other light.
No,
my son.
No.
My friend, come here. Papa. Oga, you think I know sabi your plan? You think I know sabi your plan? You don't go carry Abino come your house. So once everywhere dark, I'm gonna begin shine the bright in your room. Off the light! Papa, no! Oga, who's getting me this one now? Who's getting me this one now? When I see you, when I see.
What the hell?
I am not lying. If I hear this, go off. I'm not be lying.
What the hell, bro? What the hell? Oh, nah, that one shocked me, bro. What the? Yo, nah, man. Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Not even his son, man. Enemy of progress, bro. Damn. But you shall pay up your NEPA bills now. Come on, man. Hey, yo.
Sit down. Welcome to my place. You love it? Yeah, please.
Yo, there's something just about a sundress. I don't know. Like whenever ladies put on the sundress, bro, there's something just different, bro. It's a whole different energy. The sundress. Maybe that's why they call it the sundress. Because it really be like, you feel me? Hey,
Sit
yo.
down for me. Thank you very much. Relax. Do you care for a drink?
Sure.
You care for...
This is Ghana.
Please, 1 minute, eh?
Feels like Ghana.
Yo, boy, what's up? I mean, give me the man get come here right now. I'll show you that I'll make you feel comfortable.
No. Our house, you are telling me to feel comfortable. Make her go inside back. Oh, that's not possible.
Make I tell you something. Just excuse me for some 2 minutes, million things.
Oh no, I can't do that. I beg. I respect myself.
Benson.
I can't watch TV. I beg. Where my mind did?
No, go inside for just 2 minutes for me, I beg you.
I'm sorry. Go inside for 2 minutes. You say what?
Hey! Go inside for 2 minutes. Go! I Yeah.
Yo, I was not expecting that, bro. He went from a 0 to 100 real quick. That's crazy. I was like, why is bro being a cock blocker? You feel me? Bro was being a cock blocker, ain't it? It be like that sometimes, man, when you be having like guys around the house and shit. But nah, the guy will wipe and bet. Damn, what the hell? I was not expecting that, bro. This guy every single time, bro. Every single time. You leave your girl behind? Wow. No. Why would you do that? How you gonna leave your baby behind, man?
Which that bastard which in car block my car?
I know Veso Chama, Nama Oga.
Your guy? Do you know who I be?
Lakaka.
I'm a soldier.
No, Veso in the sleep.
Thank you, wake up without sleeping in this. Go wake up for me.
Eh? No.
Oh, Jesus.
They don't they wake person when they sleep. You go leave and make you sleep rich and you won't sleep rich. What if he dey dream? I don't want to interrupt his dream.
Enter his room. Come show me his room.
More go now.
Come and show me his room.
Jesus.
And your boss be this?
Hey, now my boss.
When we leave everything for God now. Like we said earlier, when we no interrupt his dream. How about we no disturb him now? Psychologically, if I go disturb his dream, don't make sense. I didn't reason enough. I beg.
Hey, who goes you? Hey! Down for there. Feel at home, sit down. Hey, Joko.
Satan will make mess of me.
Shebi say be soldier.
No. I don't be real soldier now. Yeah, Call of Duty soldier I be.
Call of Duty.
Yes, sir.
And no fear, you're also on duty. Now today you go know the difference between COD and AUA.
I beg, Oga. May I go wait for your Oga outside? Who are you? I'm your neighbor, sir.
Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
Me self, I be the waste maker come on a car for road. But as I see your voltage, now just see me I follow up. Like this, you don't spoil movement.
My boss.
Jesus.
Lakaka.
This evening you will die.
Yeah, what the hell? Okay. Wasn't the ending I was expecting, but still nice.
But I see the guy that impregnated me and is denying it.
Jesus.
So, Bros, you get mine though? So you get mine impregnate my younger sister, can't they deny him for this town?
Young man, So you have the procacity, malapartness, chospa, aplomb, intrepidity, and brass neck to level such magnitude and degree of such bombed off, poxy, ropey, asseverations, incubations, and accusations on an egghead and a Lollapalooza apparatchik in this cosmopolitan.
I was trying the whole time to not explode, bro. I was holding myself the whole time, but it just got too much. It wasn't ending. Chill out, bro. What you mean? Damn. Is that even still English, bro? I have no idea what bro is saying.
Metropolis.
Sis.
Yes.
You know, so you know everybody is slim like this, now get discipline. You know?
I know.
But from the way this man they talk, I don't see like who they responsible for this belly.
Jesus.
Yes.
Because no Congo accuse this guy wrongly now Congo enter prison, no.
Eh. So you abuse this your grandma to intimidate my elder brother, B? Because you're a lawyer.
She's fine, bro. She's pretty fine.
No wahala. Good thing is I've already contacted my lawyer. He's on his way.
Okay.
She's fine, bro.
Thank God my lawyer is here. He will deal with you. This is the best lawyer.
You know what they talk?
I know how much I spent on him. You cannot intimidate him.
Why gonna shout to my back?
Ah, lawyer! Come now.
Why gonna shout to my back? I'm quick to anger.
I'm sorry.
So what's the problem here?
This young man
Bro said I'm quick to anger.
impregnated me and he's denying the pregnancy.
Young man, I handle 300 cases in a day. So tell me the truth. You didn't pregnant my client?
Young man, usually I don't like to confab, indulge in a corero, tete-a-tete, and indaba with crack brain glycids and homo sapient like you. Jesus! But let me give you the benefit of that and tell you punctiliously, meticulously enunciate, vocalize, and verbalize from my hypothalamus that I did not inseminate, fertilize, and fecund her ovum, ovaries, and prenatal chambers.
Barrister,
Yes.
don't worry. My client here is guilty.
Jesus!
Huh? Don't go say don't pay me. I don't go.
Lawyer, just like that.
Come now. Let me finish up this case right away. But why you take posting on 2 now? I better come up for there. Hey!
Hit the ground running.
Eh. Okay. So you succeeded in intimidating my lawyer too. No problem. My younger brothers are coming.
Your elder brother here could not do anything. Your lawyer could not do anything. What can your younger brother do to me? Please, let me leave this place.
Barrister, meet my younger brothers.
Jesus.
What's going on here?
God have mercy upon us.
Barrister, now you get mine, give my other sister Bele.
Jesus.
Wait. Isn't this the same guy? The guy on the right, on the left? Damn, I'm confused now, bro. Okay, so on the right, if you view it on the right, boom. Isn't that the same guy who was trying to imitate Very Dark Man? But I think he got his own content thing going on right now. So, I mean, that's good for him. If he has his own content and his own niche and his own audience, that's cool. But trying to imitate Very Dark Man, bro, nah, you will learn. And you will learn the hard way.
They deny him.
Please, I did not deny you.
Jesus.
In fact, I'm 100% responsible for the pregnancy, and I've gotten married to her already. Together forever.
Clap for Jesus. Happy marriage life.
Get lock. For break you. Or squeeze you.
Jesus.
Ground you like powder.
Gaga to Gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
Okay. He got intimidated by Moses.
Yeah, good afternoon, my dear.
And now the man will tell you this.
He's the one. Are you sure he's capable?
Madam, to make her no be by muzzle. Even than go to no fit carry 1 bag of cement. But trust me, who believe in Chineke, go buy GAK. I be baby, oh.
I was expecting someone decent and reasonable for this job. You know, I'm expecting $10,000 from the US, and I need someone that will handle these transactions very, very well.
Madam, no judge as a man by the cover. Oh. I'm the son of a praying mother. As I follow you, they talk. My mama, they fast for me. Now make all my transactions, they fast for me.
Okay, well, let's proceed. But wait. Hello? Okay. Please, I want you to pick my uncle from the gate.
How your uncle did?
He's tall, huge, and he's putting on a black trouser.
Black trouser?
Yeah, thank you.
What do you call?
Are you really sure he can do this transaction properly.
Mama, no worry. This guy go fit pick the money. Let they pick all money for Peter Akwa. No worry.
Where's my uncle?
See your uncle, yeah.
Uncle? How come my uncle that is this huge is now?
Madam, I collect my 30% too.
Oh, look, they collect percentage from human being too.
Wow. For those of you who have no idea what's going on, I don't know how to explain this shit to you guys, but for those who understand, they understand, bro. Bro took 30%.
They play.
I've never seen any comedy skit like this in my entire life before, bro. That shit is crazy. He took 30% for picking someone up as a man. As a man. Every other day now as a man. My God, bro. Well, nah, that was funny, bro. That's so true. They don't take places like this when they go to Africa. They don't take like fine houses. They don't take images like this. They don't take like the real good lifestyle. But they will go to like the hood, the ghettos, and try to make Africa look poor and shit. Like there are no ghettos everywhere. You feel me? Nope, they don't want that. Hell no. Why would they want that? Tell me why. For what? Yeah, I don't need to see. Oh, this is what they're looking for. This is what they want to see. This is what they want y'all to see. Yep. Oh shit, man.
You tell many things, but say nothing. Say this life not so easy. Brother, will go big,
Babe, what's going on?
See, babe, think about this. Burna Boy, Whiskey, Davido. You should think Whiskey buy last.
Babe, this is not about you now. Allow this boy to be himself. Let him be himself.
Be himself. Ain't not himself.
Where is my uncle?
Mbappe.
Yo, Chawela, man. The tension I'm mad. We're not take that private jet.
Babe, remember you can't be
Project
the career
Mbappe.
path for him.
But I don't want him to make the wrong decision.
It's fine to guide and support him, but as well, let's trust his choices and respect his ability to shape his own future.
Shut up.
Grandpa. Daddy, how many times have I told you and my husband, let my son be himself? I keep telling you my
Grandpa is a Real Madrid fan.
husband is, or you don't want to listen.
Project
This thing na coordination. Now 10 million they collect for this music video.
I said I need quality. Give me 20 million naira video shoot a bag.
Hey, Alpha, see, I go blow you. Pull out to this network.
I come and see my kids, man.
Okay. Carry out. Point 7. You go point 7 to tomorrow.
Now 2 months now you never pay me. 10k. That's 20k.
If I say make I pack up my money, give you now. If I give you 20,000 naira, what I go to shoot my picking music video? So selfish. You're ashamed of yourself.
Point 7. You never point 7 finish. Point out.
His father wants him to be a musician. Why do you want him to be a footballer? I'm tired of all this.
Musician.
Baby piano. Baby piano.
Exactly. Now there my picking when you drop a verse.
If your picking drop verse for this song, in percent go high you.
Like how many percent?
5%.
Everybody say, Reaper. We want to party. Reaper. Okay, small. We got 1.5.
Want your husband to?
I know this boy. He wants to be a footballer.
No! You want him to be a footballer. Forgetting that authenticity leads to greater work ethics, increased creativity, and willingness to go the extra mile to achieve success. By following his passion, he's likely to find career paths that aligns with his values. We don't have to force him to go for what he doesn't want to go for. We just have to trust him to make the right decision. questions.
Give me the mic.
Suppose
Tell me, what do you really want to do? Engineering, doctor, finance manager.
I like noodle. I have passion for trade. I want to be a tailor.
Come on, I never even learn a pig go far. Go for your back.
Yo. Oh, that's the last one, actually. Oh, that's the last one. Now, at this point, bro, you have to point out to him what he should do with his life in the future, because bro said he wants to be a tailor. I mean, if I told my father that I wanted to be a tailor, he would kill me, bro. My dad wanted me to be an engineer or a doctor or even at least a lawyer type shit. What am I right now, bro? I'm here sitting down with a camera on my face and a microphone, trying to be a flipping content creator and shit. I wonder how disappointed he would be in me. Oh shit, bro! African parents, man. Oh, he said he wants to be a tailor. I mean, a fashion designer, okay, but hey, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, bro. I'm gone, man. I'll see you guys on the next video, man. Peace out.